everybody. I'm sitting here on my balcony. It's raining, drizzling. I love the sound of rain. I love the sound of nature. So calming. Today, I feel like doing something with this fresh sweet corn. Something refreshing and warm will be nice. I love sweet corn. Boiled, baked, steamed, grilled. They are simply delicious. With some butter and a sprinkling of salt. Today I'm so excited. I'm going to show you how to make cream style corn, my daughter's breakfast favorite. In this video, I'm also sharing with you a useful technique I learned to separate whole corn kernels from the cob without using a knife. Before that, let's look at 4 common corn myths debunked in this video. Sweet corn is a hybridized variety of maize with a high sugar content. Corn myths sweetly debunked. Myth 1. Sweet corn is high in sugar. The fact is, there are only 6 grams of natural sugar in a medium-sized ear of corn. Sweet corn has less than half the sugar of a banana and only 1/3 the sugar of an apple. In fact, beets have more grams of sugar per serving than corn. Myth 2. Sweet corn has no health benefits. The fact is, sweet corn is actually loaded with lutein and zeaxanthin, the 2 phytochemicals that promote healthy vision. Corn is also rich in antioxidants, proteins, B vitamins, and the minerals iron, potassium, and magnesium. Corn has also high amounts of dietary fiber. Here is one easy method to detach whole corn kernels from the cob. Using a metal spoon, first remove one single row of the corn kernels from the cob. This is the most difficult step as some kernels might get damaged. Next, using the thumb, just slide the rows of kernels sideways. This is done quite easily. The rows of kernels will then come off the cob easily in wholesome condition without any damage. Sweet corn aids in weight loss as it has 3 grams of fiber per serving. There are more insoluble fiber than soluble fiber in sweet corn. The insoluble fiber aids in digestion and helps in bowel movement. Hence, eating corn can help us feel full longer, and we are less likely to overeat and pack on the pounds. To store the kernels for a longer period of time, pack them into Ziploc bags and freeze them. Corn kernels kept this way keeps well for up to 6 months. Myth 3. Cooking corn destroys its nutrients. Fact is, Cooking enhances its benefits. In a study, researchers have found that yes, corn loses vitamin C while cooking, but its antioxidant activity increases. Studies also show that eating high antioxidant foods can lower risk of many health problems linked to aging, like heart disease, cataracts, as well as Alzheimer's disease. Myth 4. Most sweet corn grown are genetically modified. The truth is, only a small percentage of sweet corn grown is genetically modified. Most GM corn is used in processed foods like breakfast cereals, corn chips, corn syrup, corn oil, or turned into livestock feed and ethanol. If we are concerned, then we can always choose organic corn. GM crops are banned under organic standards. Today I'm sharing my recipe for homemade cream-style corn. This uses fresh sweet corn, milk, sugar and salt. First, add the fresh whole corn kernels to a pot with 1 liter of boiling water. Simmer for 5 minutes. Next, add the coarsely blended fresh corn kernels. Simmer for another 5 minutes. Now, add the finely blended fresh corn kernels. The corn kernels are blended to a smooth paste with some water. Add salt. Add sugar. Simmer for 5 minutes. Finally, add milk. And now for my secret ingredient, rolled oats. Other than thickening the cream-style corn, the rolled oats gives it a nice chewy texture. Gentle simmer for another 3 minutes. Homemade cream-style corn is now ready. Ta-da! Homemade cream-style corn. Enjoying my breakfast. Smooth, creamy, sweet, and so chewy. Simply delicious. That's all, my friends. Thanks for watching. Be excited and enjoy what you're doing. Blessings from nature. Blessings from the universe. Enjoy. Enjoy. Love what you're doing.